Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the month of July in my B6 Rings Planner using the Dreamer Kit from SweetNanaShop. Like I said, this is the Dreamer Kit from SweetNanaShop. If you are interested in saving some money off of your order from SweetNanaShop's website, or her Etsy, I guess, you can use my code MEG15. It will save you 15% off of your order, and you'll receive my freebie. It has all of the fun things that you'll need for cleaning and relaxing. All those fun things. Like I said, this is the Dreamer Kit, so we're mainly going to be using the B6 month to decorate the monthly, but I also have some things to decorate the like pages before, like the introduction pages, to add a little bit of fun to the spread. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this spread. So if you saw last month's plan with me, then you know that I actually used a SweetNanaShop kit as well. I think I've been doing that for the past few months. I used one in May, and I think, yeah, I used one in May as well. So if you are interested in seeing those videos, you can check out the description box below. I will have them all linked for you. But for these two pages, I've been doing monthly challenges. So on Instagram, there are like monthly sticker challenges from Bless Your Heart stickers. And then on her, there's a couple of other like photo challenge spreads that I like to do. So I've been decorating that just like a little bit with this, what do you call this? These two monthly pages, like the introduction pages. Y'all, I have to be honest with you. We are having some, I don't know if it's like an issue or what with our air conditioning, but it is boiling hot in here, and it's not even hot. That's the thing. It's 75 degrees, which might not be super hot to you, but we keep our air conditioner at, I'm trying to find my scissors here. We keep our air conditioner at 69 degrees, 69 or 70, depending on, you know, the temperature outside. But most of the time we keep it at 69 degrees. Y'all, it is 75 and it is hot in here. It is not fun at all. So I don't know what we did to anger our air conditioning people. Like, you know, not the people themselves, but like the AC gods. I don't know what we've done to upset them, but I need them to fix it because it is hot. And I am, my mom's favorite phrase, and I use this phrase too, fat people and hot weather do not go good together. And she is correct. It is hot here. It's hot, and Florida is already hot, so like, excuse me, we do not need more heat. Thank you. Okay, that's all I have to say. So this kit I decided to use. Now SweetNanaShop actually has a summer kit that she came out with. It is like she has a couple of summer kits actually, but this one I decided to use because I am on a no spend. And I decided that this would be a good kit to use because I already have it. It's good for like the summertime. I'm always tired in the summertime, so I thought it would be fun to have a little bit of excitement and decoration in the spread. I'm going to do one more thing. I'm trying to find it. Not these. It might be those. Aha, here we go. These little stars here. I want to add to the top up here. Am I just dumb? Are they not cut? They're cut out. I'm just dumb. I can't see. Okay, it eventually came off. It was just having a hard struggle bus of a time. So that's all I'm going to do with that one. I will probably, when I have like free time, go in here and like cut it out myself with like an X-Acto knife, but that is okay. Sometimes that happens, you know, like with stickers, sometimes it just doesn't want to work, and that's okay. All right, I think that's probably good for this. The only thing I want to do is to take these two boxes, which I won't need for the monthly, at least I hope not. If I do, then whoops, oh well. I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to put this one up here. And those are going to be the titles for the two kits, like the two challenges. Okay, so now that we have that done, I'm going to flip this over and we're going to go into the monthly. This isn't quite the size for a B6 kit. If you need that clarification, it's pretty much a B6 kit size, but it's not like exact, you know what I mean? So it fits, but it doesn't. I don't know if that makes sense. I feel like I'm not making much sense today. Like I said, I am trying to not burn to death in here. And like, again, I am aware that that is not the worst thing in the world. Like, we have air conditioning. It's just hot. So when I film, because I have, this might, you know, be information that you don't care about, but I am just a constantly hot person. I get hot very easily. So I have fans in my room. I have a fan that goes right by my, like on my side table in my room. And then I have one that sits at the end of my bed. And like I said, I get really hot. So even during the winter time, I will have a fan on. I know that's weird. That's just how I am. And I have to turn them off when I film because I don't want that background noise to get picked up. I don't want you to hear a fan while I'm, you know, filming. So I turn it off, and most of the time it's fine, but oh my gosh, it is hot right now. I'm just complaining. I'm really not trying to be like a negative Nelly here. At least we have air conditioning. I have gone summers without air conditioning before, and it has also not been very fun, but you know, you live some, you lose some, it'll be fine. We will get through it. And it's Sunday, so maintenance will be coming on Monday to fix it. Thank goodness I live in an apartment complex because they can fix it quickly. There we go. And I like to use these little things to continue on because, like I said, it's not quite a B6 kit, but it is. So it's a B6 kit, but it doesn't fit this one like exactly. So I do a little sticker surgery. But like, again, I'm being very complainative today. I'm sorry. I'm not saying that it's a bad kit. I'm saying that I can't do things. I'm bad at putting things in a kit and like organizing things. So that's all I wanted to say. I'm just bad at setting things up, and that's why I use pieces from the other kit. Does that make sense? Probably not. All right, let's check and see when the month ends. I believe it starts on Monday. So let's go ahead and put these number stickers down, and then we will continue doing the decoration. Okay, that is cute and fun. I think I'm going to use this because this is like a box sticker, right? I'm going to put this here. And then we're going to grab this one and put it here. That's cool. Okay, and should we do this one across the top? I think we should. I'm actually just going to cut this directly in half and use it across all of the top there before I add the date. The date, the month. The month is what I wanted to say. Words are difficult. Okay, let's line it up and continue it down this way. All right, and let's cut this off. Oh, okay. I'm doing a great job here, you guys. Just this fantastic job. Should we do some more down here? I think the answer is yes. Always. Should always add more deco. Okay. What do we think, you guys? I actually really like this. This is really pretty. Okay, should we add any more of these people? Maybe we should. We will. Let them to the top, because, like, who needs it, right? Who needs the stuff on the top? Oh, I'm going to put July there. Okay, never mind. I was going to use this to put the word July, but I'm already putting something there, so never mind. We will put the sun, like, or the sun. That is a moon, Megan. The moon there, and we will put that one there. Ooh, we should have little Sue right here. She's so cute. And then I think we're going to put a Nana sleeping up here, because I don't want the Nana here, but it's okay because we have the other Nana sleeping. And we also have this little star that I'm kind of thinking I might add here. You know what? Let's do it. We're going to add him here because he's very cute. Look at him. Oh my goodness. He's so cute. Oh, obsessed. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I am so excited I decided to use this kit this month. All right, everyone, that is it for this month in my B6 Rings planner using the Dreamer kit from SweetNanaShop. If you guys want to save some money off of your order, once again, you can use my code MEG15 and save 15% off of your order on her Etsy shop, and you will receive my freebie. I'm telling you guys, she's got some amazing kits coming out, and I'm obsessed. Like, oh, it's so pretty. I highly recommend you guys check her out. All right, everyone, that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I post a new video. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've ever heard of SweetNanaShop and if you plan on shopping on her Etsy, because, like I said, she's amazing. I think you should definitely check her out. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on.